Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm taking you through a tool that's quickly becoming a favorite for creators who want clean visuals without dealing with messy results. It's called Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro, and it gives you the kind of control you usually only get from high-end professional tools. Let's get started. Open Higgsfield.ai and sign in. The workspace loads straight into a simple dashboard where all your tools sit in one place. No complicated menus, no hunting around. Click on Nano Banana Pro. At the top, you'll see the prompt box. This is where everything begins. Type your idea here, or use the Random Idea button if you want inspiration. After entering your prompt, choose your model, select your aspect ratio, pick your resolution, and hit generate. The engine builds your image with stable structure, sharp details, and clean composition. When the picture appears, you can retouch it, adjust the colors, tweak the lighting, or upscale it to 4K if you want maximum clarity. Now, let's go through real examples so you can see how to use strong prompts for better results. Upload a few reference images that match the environment or the mood you want. It helps the system stay consistent. Now enter your prompt. A peaceful outdoor celebration set during the golden hour. Soft, warm sunlight filters through tall trees, creating long shadows and glowing highlights on the scene. Decorated wooden tables are arranged neatly with flowers, candles, and vintage lanterns. A group of friends stand together, smiling naturally, wearing stylish casual outfits in soft pastel colors. A gentle wind moves through the leaves, giving life to the environment. The mood is warm, inviting, and emotional. High depth of field, clean composition, natural skin tones, crisp details. Click Generate. You'll see a full cinematic scene with realistic expressions and smooth lighting. If you want brighter colors or softer shadows, adjust them instantly. When the image is ready, switch to the animate panel. Choose your duration, pick your animation model, and select your resolution. The tool transforms your picture into a fluid video shot. Upload new references if you want character consistency or a specific color palette. Now enter your prompt. A young traveler with a curious expression walks through a glowing magical forest where oversized mushrooms emit soft neon light. Delicate mist floats near the ground, bioluminescent flowers sway gently around the path. Tiny magical creatures peek out from behind branches, adding whimsy to the environment. Adjust anything you want then upscale it to 4K if needed. After that, open the Animate tab and convert the still frame into a motion scene. You'll see soft moving lights, gentle camera motion, and a smooth sense of depth. For artists or anyone who likes to draw their concepts first, there's a sketch to video feature. Click Sketch to Video, upload your sketch. Pick your model. Select the style, cinematic, anime, realistic, commercial, horror, whatever you prefer. Nano Banana Pro handles the technical work and lets you focus on the creative part. If you want more tutorials, more prompt packs, or advanced animation guides, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.